Research report. The word report is come from Latin word reportere, which has the meaning to carry back. Report is the details of some procedure that explains the form of some events, actions, subject matter, phenomenon, or the area under discussion. It is the means of sharing research results, which has several benefits. It is the only paper that provides approved and specific information about the research findings. It consists of the research methodology, research findings, and the summary of the research. The formal and standard grammatical structure, academic vocabulary, and accurate mechanisms are used in research reports. Research report writing must be clear, accurate, concise, and free of ambiguity. Different elements of academic writing, such as quotations, citations, references, arguments, generalizations, evidence, facts, etc., are much commonly used in research reports. Some considerations to be made while writing research reports are as follows. Research report needs to show how rigorously and effectively one conducted the research. Research report need to clearly show the research problem, findings, and methodology of drawing these findings. Research report should be written in formal and academic style of writing. Research report needs to follow the process of writing, i.e., planning, drafting, editing, and presenting final version. Research reports can be formal and informal reports, written and oral reports, internal and external report, long and short report. Purpose of research report: to provide the information regarding the findings and conclusions of research work, to communicate methods for data collection, analysis, and interpretation to come to the conclusion, to bring out crucial facts for solution-derived and decision-making, to communicate research findings professionally, to provide judgment tools for judgment of quality and talent researcher within and outside the academia. Components of research report. Part 1. Introduction. Provides key question that the researcher is attending to answer and review of any literature that is relevant. Presents hypothesis that attempts to answer key questions. Provide a rationale for why the research is important. Sets the scene for the research by briefly stating the context of research. Explains why the research was undertaken and what it aims to discover. Part 2. Literature review. Reviews of previous writings and studies relevant to the problem being explored are to be presented. It will give the reader an overall picture of the problem we are solving. Summary and evaluation of the available past and current literature related to a research problem. Part 3. Methodology. Explains how the research was conducted. Outlines how the data was collected and analyzed. Includes description of research sample, data collection tools, and analysis procedure. Description of population from which the sample was selected. Part 4. Analysis and findings. Presents the findings of the research in paragraphs. Facts only, but no interpretations. Can include graphic forms, example, tables and graphs, with labels/captions. Contains headings and subheadings. Presents and interpretations, analysis, and evaluation of the result of the research under suitable headings. Draws together different aspects of findings and relates them to other studies, referring to literature. Part 5. Summary, conclusion, and implications. Brief statement of what was found and its significance, and analysis and evaluation of the report's main facts. Part 6. References/bibliography. Full bibliographic details of all references used in report in a list. Use the referencing style. Lists all the source alphabetically by author's last name that were directly used in writing the reports. Bibliography is a list of the published sources and some unpublished authentic documents outlined in the research work. Part 7. Appendix. Attachment of additional supporting information, example, raw data, surveys, questionnaire, detailed statics, etc. Include information and data about the study either that are not important enough to be included in main body of report or are too lengthy,